Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be working in my classic size Happy Planner. I have pulled two books. I've pulled my colorful boxes, which I always use, as well as this summer sticker book from the Happy Planner. Now, some of the stickers in here are not exactly my style, but I am going to challenge myself to use this sticker book. I have it, so I might as well use my stash. So, as I said, I am going to be working in my classic size Happy Planner, and this is the new calligraphy quotes planner. It's a July start, so I'm just starting this one up, so I'll be using this one this week, or hopefully for the rest of the year. But I'm going to be planning for the week of June 28th through July 4th. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and pull these pages off the disc. Now I'll speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. right, guys, that's it. I don't know. Like I said, this is not a book that I have used very often, but I was determined to make it work. I think when I get to a point where I don't necessarily like the way a spread is coming together, I tend to just start adding stickers everywhere. So, and then of course, I look at it and I'm like, I don't know, not quite sure. But we're gonna roll with this anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. And yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So okay, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.